Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video, I will give you two indicator of TradingView, and the results of this two indicator is more than 90%. Just watch the complete video, do not miss any point. Okay, after we will discuss this strategy, then we have need to discuss another MT4 strategy, and this strategy is most awesome. Like here you can see this is the buy area, you can see buy trade. Okay, this is sell area, and you can see sell trade. Okay, buy trade, and you can see now this is again your sell area. I will give you the whole detail of this indicator as well. So first we have to discuss trading view indicator, then we will discuss MT4 MetaTrader in details. Okay, I'm using two indicators. The first indicator is giving you the trend confirmation. Okay, let's see the results in forex pair, because the mostly people use forex indicator, forex market. And so we have need to discuss first gold, because gold is most important and mostly people like to trade in gold. Okay, so here you can see this soon, very soon you will get the sell trade in the gold. How? First we have to discuss the strategy. There are some rules in the strategy, and you have need to be listen carefully. Yes, I am slightly weak in English, but I tried my best to give you the best explanation. And this signal is confirmation after the candle close. Okay, let me show you. I will show you when the candle complete its time and the signal appear, then it will not go on. Okay, so you have need to wait for the confirmation when the candle close is time and you got the signal, and I will show you a live demo as well. So here first need to understand the strategy. Here let me show you some details here. First one, when you got the signal, here first this one actually a RSI ribbon. Okay, there are three band lines: the upper band lines, middle band line, and the lower band line. And there is some signals, buy and sell signals, so much. Okay, and there is another thing, that is a trend line. Okay, so we have need to keep in your mind three major important things. First one, signal. Second one, RSI. And the third one is the trend line. These are the three major important points. Okay, and first one, when you got the buy signal, the first rule. Second rule, RSI should be below from the lower band line, or at least touching to the lower band line. Second condition is true. The third important rule, this line should be green one. Then you need to go for the buy trade from this candle, because here you can see there are a lot of like this signal, but these are not confirmation signal. Our trade start from this point, this candle, because this candle close inside the RSI. So this is our confirmation, or you can say we have need to open our your trade from this point. Okay, from this candle, and need to book the profit when any candle touch to the upper band line. That's it. Okay, let me show you some more detail here. Here you got the buy signal, but where is the RSI? RSI is upside, so this is not our type of indicate or our type of signal. Our type of signal is this one, like this one. Trend line is green, yes, we have need to follow buy signal. When the trend line is green, you need to follow only buy signal, and we have need to follow buy signal. Here you go. The second thing, RSI should be below from the lower band line. Yes. The third rule, here you got the signal, buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, but this candle close come inside the RSI, so our trade start from this point and need to book your profit at this point. Okay, simple strategy. Hopefully now you understand my concept. Now here again, watch some more trades, and here you can see buy trade, buy signal, first rule. Second rule, RSI should be below from the lower band line. Yes. The third rule, candle must come inside the RSI ribbon. Yes, it is. Okay. Now go for the buy trade and need to book your profit here. Okay, let's see. Here you go, another buy signal, and you can see you can go for the buy trade and you can book it. But there is a one thing missing, that the RSI is not touching to the lower band line. So this is not a confirmed signal, but you can go for the buy trade if you need. But I will recommend only confirmed signal. Okay, let me show you some more example here. This one buy signal, line is green, candle come inside the RSI, just go for the buy trade, book your profit here. That's it. Okay, now again here you can see there are a lot of candles, but this candle come inside, so this is our buy trade from this point, and you can book your profit, or you can book your profit here, or you can book your profit here. Okay, let me show you some more example here. Here I, from the start of the point, you can see you got more than let me show you from this point. You can see from, okay, now hopefully soon you will get the signal. Yes, you can see you got the signal. Now this is the live example demo. Here you can see, just wait for yeah, like here this candle time is 1 and 51. You can say more than 1.5 minutes is remaining. So when this candle come inside the let me show you, uh, our first rule was uh, this line should be red one. Yes, red one. Second rule, the candle, you must got the sell signal. Yes, we got the sell signal. The third rule, candle must close come inside the RSI. Okay, and now hopefully this candle will close inside the RSI, then this is will be our entry point in the gold, and you can see the results in your screen. Our target will be around 2704. Okay, you can watch the results later in your PC or mobile, whatever. You can see it's a Friday, 17 January, and according to the Pakistani time, uh, you can see the time 12:42. Okay, you can see and watch. Okay, here you can see just 30 seconds remaining, and candle will come, will close inside the RSI. Then this will be our entry, sell entry point, and it will give you awesome profit definitely. Okay, you have need to watch the results of this trade in your PC or mobile. Okay, like current price of the gold is 2710. Okay, and you got the sell signal. This candle close inside the RSI. Yes, now this is our sell entry, and you will get the profit around 2700. You can say 705. Okay, it will give you the profit, and I will show you the results of this trade on the next video. Okay, let me show you results in some other trades like okay, now you understand the rule. Hopefully you will understand the rule now. Let me show you results in some other results like US 100. In the US 100, this was our signal, but this is not a confirmed signal. I told you this is not a confirmed signal. This is our trade. Here you can see you need to go for the sell trade, need to close the trade when this red line change to the green one. So you have need to put your stop loss. Where you have need to put your stop loss, I will show you. you have need to put your, there's now two conditions. You need to book your profit, very small profit, or you need to put your stop loss and book your profit here. Now where you have need to put your stop loss, you have need to put your stop loss like this was our entry point, like this one, okay. From this point our take profit will be around here. You can say, let me calculate the distance from the entry point. This is our entry point and this is our almost take profit point, okay. This one, this band line, lower band line is almost our take profit one. So this is almost our take profit. So just you have need to pick this line and place is above to the our entry point, and then this is our stop loss, okay, and this is your take profit. That is how you can put your stop loss, okay. Now here this one, take profit done, okay. Let me show you some more results. Now this one, okay, this is our entry point, but this is not a confirm signal, I told you, okay. This is not a confirm signal, and here you go, sell trade, amazing profit, okay. And this is our entry point, this one, this is our entry point, okay, because the line is green, all conditions true. So this is our buy entry and you need to close your trade here, book your profit, that's it. Now here you got the buy signal as well, candle close inside each and everything, but RSI is too upside from the lower band, so do not recommend. If you need you can go, but I will not recommend this type of trade, okay. This RSI is actually very close to the lower band line, so you can go for the buy trade, but this RSI, this RSI is upside, you can say too upside from the lower band line, okay. So that's why we do not need to go for this type of buy trade, okay. Let me show you some more results in the US 100, and then we need to discuss some more results in the Indian market, and then we will move to the MetaTrader because my MT4 system is most awesome, okay. Okay, is I think it's some internet issue maybe, okay, just wait few seconds. Okay, what is happening? Okay, okay, internet issue, let's wait few seconds. Okay, now working fine, okay. Here you can see, here you can see, watch it, watch out. Okay, now this was our entry point and you can see your take profit is done here, okay. If you will watch the previous results, then you have need to watch the confirm signals, like this is our type of trade, okay. This is type of trade, okay, and you can see you are getting some good profit, okay. Here this is our type of trade, this is type, this trade, and so on, okay. There are a lot of trades and almost all the trades are profitable. Just keep the rules in your mind, okay. Now let's see the results in Indian market, then we need to move to the MT4 MetaTrader. Here Bank Nifty, you have need to, I think you understand the concept. Now you have need to watch it. I do not think I need to explain all the time, just watch it. uh, Sell trade profitable, sell trade profitable, okay. Now this one, sell trade, and you need to close your trade here, okay. Or you can book your put your stop loss. If you will put your stop loss, then definitely this is your best trade, profitable trade, okay. This is our entry point, okay, because the line was green, so this is our entry point, okay. And now you can close your trade here. Now this is not sell trade, this one is sell trade hour, okay. And now you can see you are now showing some good profit, okay. Now you can see my indicators work on all time frame or on all pairs. Now we have need to discuss this one, okay. This one is very important one. Okay, like here in the trading view, where we was using uh, a trend line, and here the same trend line I'm using here. Okay, and the blue one, that means a buy trend, and that's color yellowish one, that means the sell trend. Okay, and there are more important things here. Okay, let me give you some detail here. When line is blue one, you need to follow buy signal. Okay, these are buy signals. Okay, these are buy signals. And when this is changed to the yellowish one, then you need to follow sell signal. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can follow sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal. All the sell signal will definitely will give you the profit. Okay, now this one, buy trades, and buy trades are profitable. Now here you go. But what is the importance of this indicator? Importance of this indicator is actually when this area form. Okay, you will, when you this area start. Okay, it will give you the market will go upside from this point. Okay, so you can do not need you can say here you can see you definitely need to follow buy signal, and you can see you got the profit here. Now here you can see. Okay, now here you can see profitable trade. Here you can see buy signal, profitable. Now this one, and you can see market goes downside, amazing one. Okay, now this one, book your profit here. Okay, now this one, go to the buy trade, book your profit here. Okay, now this one. Okay, and you can see you can book your profit here. Okay, now this one, you can go for the sell trade, book your profit. Buy trade, book your profit. Sell trade. Okay, now sell trade, and you can need to book your profit here. No, this one is a very small profit. Okay, but from this point you can see buy trade. Okay, profitable. And here you need to go another buy trades, profitable. Now this one is sell trade, profitable. Okay, and now this one buy trade, profitable. This is sell trade. Okay, again sell trade, and you can book your profit here. Okay, now this one buy trade, profitable. And now this one is your sell trade, and you can see this is the most recent sell, take profit, sell trade, take profit. Okay, very simple strategy, a very simple strategy. Trend will give you the trend area. This area is give you the buy and sell area. It will give you the trend confirmation. It will give you the trade area, and this indicator will give you the signal. Very simple. Okay, now hopefully you will understand the whole strategy. And now the final question, how you can get the indicator. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember, write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels, and you need to be aware, and do not join fake Telegram channel. This is Gmail, simplehoga@gmail.com. If you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any further query, you can ask me. My indicators are paid just in few dollars, not hundreds of dollars. Okay, okay, and it's for the lifetime. You need to purchase only one time, and you will use it for the lifetime. And currently 4500 plus people are using my indicators, never receive any complaint from any person, because I am providing the best support to all people who bought my indicators. Okay, and if you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember, write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels, scammers. You need to be aware, do not join fake Telegram channels. Okay, I am giving this warning in every video of my in in my every video. Okay, okay, now you understand the concept and understand the strategy. Now hopefully you will like my video, subscribe my channel. Any further query, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.